Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to add share page into your app. The share page allows you to consolidate and share all your social profiles like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest at one place. Now let's see how to add share page. Enter your business name and click on Next. As per your business name, the app will suggest you some specific categories. If you can't find the appropriate category, click on View More Categories. Here you will see all the categories. Choose the one that best suits your business. Once done, click on Next. Now select an app design as per your choice and click on Next. Now let's add the page. Click on View All here and search Share. Click on the page to add it. Here's your share page name. If you want, you can change it. From here, you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select solid, outline, icon, or image from our library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Next comes Share Page Menu, Facebook. If you want, you change the menu name from here. From here, you can change the app menu icon. If you want, you can select an icon from our library or upload your own custom icon image. Now enter Facebook page name URL. Click on Add More button to add multiple Facebook profiles. From here, you can delete the Facebook profiles. Now comes Share Page Menu, Twitter. If you want, you can change the menu name. From here, you can change the app menu icon. If you want, you can select an icon from our library or upload your own custom icon image. Now enter your Twitter URL. Click on Add More button to add multiple Twitter profiles. From here, you can delete the Twitter profiles. In the similar way, you can add your LinkedIn, Google+, Instagram, and Pinterest profiles. Once you have added all the profiles, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.